been a while since I've done a video, so obviously lockdowns happened, and I thought it would be a good idea to do a quick one, an unboxing, and then do a review on this Hitachi 58HK 6100U. This is currently the cheapest 58-inch television available on the market, or if not one of the cheapest, at £320 in Argos. I think this Argos have got an exclusive partnership with Hitachi, so they only sell this one in Argos. So we'll just go over the box first of all. So you've got the fact of this native 4K television, Ultra HD, I should say, or UHD. And you have got Netflix, 4K Ultra HD, YouTube, Prime Video, and Alexa built in. However, with Alexa, I believe you need an add-on. I'm not really bothered because I've already got my Echo Dots around the house. So, what is interesting about this television versus the other cheap ones on the market is that this one actually is Dolby Vision certified. The Hisense ones at a similar price, at this size, are not Dolby Vision. What would be interesting when I plug this in and test it is to see how it passes through Dolby Atmos to my DVR that is Dolby Atmos capable, if at all. So we'll just go over some of the other things. Smart TV View, from what I've read, is a variant of the WebOS that LG TVs use. And DTS True Surround Standard, DTS HD. I need to actually Google what this SAW View Approved means. Vive Approved, Intertech, no idea. And then this last one, it's really a bit weird because this TV is Bluetooth enabled. It's one of the only ones that Hitachi sells that's Bluetooth enabled. And I don't know why they didn't stick a Bluetooth symbol on the box instead, but wherever. Right then, so we look at the other side of the box. Excuse the mess. There's nothing really else on that side. So we're just going to jump cut here, and then I'll start carving into the box. Okay, you have to excuse my slightly unorthodox camera tripod. Actually using a microphone holder. Okay, so let's do the box. This TV is potentially going to replace the LG that's currently on the wall. That LG is one of the earlier 4Ks from LG, about 5-6 years old. Cost around £1,300. WebOS doesn't seem to be supported on that anymore, or if it is, it doesn't get any of the new applications, such as Disney Plus TV doesn't have it, ITV player it doesn't have either, or 5 player. It does have BBC player and things like that, which I don't use. Okay, so what we got so far is the base of the, well not the base, sorry, the back part of the TV laser mount. I'm assuming the standard touches to that, unless the laser mount is slightly higher up. We have a not bad looking, it's cheap plastic, but it's not bad looking Hitachi remote. It's got dedicated buttons, that's nice. It's not a magic remote. For reference, this is the LG Magic Remote, or the old LG Magic Remote, one of the earlier ones. So let's get that peel on there. There we go. Right then, for the actual box. The box is actually a little bit beat up, so I'm hoping it's not broken. Right, oh, that's decent packaging. There they've got a front styrofoam block to help protect the screen front. Right. This is the bit where I say, don't judge me for unboxing this now because I'm doing it on my own. Okay, a slight camera pause there. So you adjust the camera. Excuse my bare feet. It's wet outside, and I actually didn't bother to put my socks on. Oh god, this is not nice to take out. Rest on the pedal. Jesus. That is well and truly in there. Okay, here we go. TV's out. Oh, there's a box of things here. Alright, we'll pause a second. Okay, continuing on. Not unboxed it at all. Let's do where I left off. Let's move the boxes out of the way. Let's take this off just in case I need to return it for whatever reason. Okay, cool. This, the panel's actually kind of a lot more glossy than I thought it would be. To be fair, build quality of the TV, oh Christ, stuck on the power adapter. There we go. Didn't touch the panel too much. No, cool. Right, so we just prop that up over there. It is actually really slippery, which is weird. Okay. That actually looks alright. Sorry, let me just adjust the camera. It's quite reflective, but if you look at my existing one, it's quite reflective anyway, so yeah, interesting. Next is to find a screwdriver. It does come with two Nangrand AAA batteries. So, ooh, focus. Focus. There we go. Nangrand. Alright. And a sales sheet basically stating that you should buy this soundbar. Some other bits and bobs and how to assemble. That word. How to assemble the TV. Out of curiosity, for anyone who wants to know, this is an Energy A++. Okay, I've just got this out of the box that came with the TV. It does seem to be stand, which is great. Didn't want to rip any of this stuff just in case. But something that's actually quite interesting is that I know it needs to be weighty, but I wasn't actually expecting this bit to be metal. It's cheap plastic on the front, metal here, which is where it matters. I'm actually quite surprised at how sturdy that is. So let's get it assembled. Just so you can see, got the bit that came with the TV and the bit that was in the box. It's actually really sharp underneath here. It's interesting. Obviously, TV's Hitachi, not sharp. I'd definitely not buy a sharp TV, but I am buying a Hitachi one, so we'll just see how that works out. If I remember, I'll put a little box somewhere so you can skip the step. Make sure this is not interesting. Screws into the stand. Okay, so what we got? Should have read the instructions. Okay, so these are a bit sharp at the bottom here. Ignore Alexa. She's one of those days where she wants to talk all the time. Oh no, she's not taking. Okay. Simple enough. 4 screws to the base. hard part. I have to lay down the television onto the carpet, if the carpet's big enough, and go from there. Okay. Please don't fall over, please don't fall over that one. Oh, wheel, and down wheel. Okay, having let the TV down, you can see the VESA mount holes are actually there and there. Interestingly, they've already got screws in, I think that's standard. It's been a while, so I wouldn't know. It's nice that they got a nice little plug in. Kensington lock, don't actually know what that is. I'm guessing it's some sort of other lock. But we got HDMI 2 with ARC, HDMI 3, a SPDIF toslink out, an antenna in, composite, shush, and Ethernet. And on the side we have another HDMI, 2 USBs, which one of them says, I think they're both the same. Maximum 300 milliamp hour. So you're not going to be powering any. I don't think you can power a Roku or a Amazon Fire Stick at full power with that. I think you need a higher amperage for that. Probably 1 amp. Okay, so let's get this on. Okay, so in. It's a locking mechanism, isn't it? There we go. That's that. Don't want to really rest it on there too long. I am holding this television now with my left hand. Get some diagonals done. You stand this up so to support the weight of the television. What did I do with that last screw? It's a problem with the black carpet. There it is.
A few moments later.
And there we go, we have the Hitachi 58HK 600U, the cheapest television available from Argos at 58 inch 4K with Dolby Vision. Slightly bigger than my 55 obviously. It'd be interesting to see what the bezels are like, because as you can see the plastic bezels are much bigger than my LG, but if you can see the bezel is about that big. So yeah, my next video will obviously be the review of the TV compared to my other one. Sorry, we're having a bit of trouble focusing now. But yeah, that concludes the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and subscribe and hit that bell icon for when I do the review. It's probably going to be a few days. So in the meantime, if you're thinking about buying one of these, hold fire, and I'll get back to you shortly.